guys, my name is Neirdolife, the gamer investor, and welcome to my channel. Today guys, I want to make a video about a company that is getting massive headlines from the news and now picking up ground, especially in the YouTube scene. If you check every finance YouTube channels out there, you will see a video or two about this company. So what is this mysterious company? Well, if you read my whole title for my video, and not automatically click it because you saw 100x your money now, then you would know it's Bionano Genomics, ticker symbol BNGO. I'm just joking guys. I know you did not automatically click my video because you saw 100x your money now, but if you did, can you put it in the comments down below so I can have a little laugh? I give an advance thank you for the brave person who will post it. So, why am I doing a video on Bionano Genomics? Well, I believe that this company is a puppy that is waiting to grow to become a big dog. There's so many things going on to this puppy company that everyone will be up for a big surprise. For this video, I will give 1. A brief summary of Bionano Genomics, 2. Important news about the company, 3. My chart analysis, and 4. What I will do with all this information. But before we start, please help my channel grow guys by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel. And thank you all for the gamer investors out there for supporting my channel, because without you, this channel is nothing. Also guys, if you want to start building your financial wealth, you can start now by clicking the links in the description down below by signing up to Robinhood or weBull so they can get your free stocks and start the ball rolling. Plus, by doing this, you can help my channel tremendously because I get a free stock too, guys. Yeah! Alright guys, let's talk about Bionano Genomics. Bionano Genomics operates as a life sciences instrumentation company in the genome analysis space. The company develops and markets the Saphyr system, a platform for ultra-sensitive and ultra-specific structural variation detection that enables researchers and clinicians to accelerate the search for new diagnostics and therapeutic targets, and to streamline the study of changes in chromosomes, which is known as cytogenetics. Phew, wow, that was a lot to read and digest. Let's break it down. Cytogenetics means the detection of chromosomal disorders in the laboratory by karyotyping, which is examining the chromosomes within a cell. Molecular cytogenetics involves testing of a specific disease locus by fluorescence in situ hybridization, which is FISH assay. So, what does it test for? Cytogenetics can see diseases caused by large genomic aberrations, also known as structural abnormalities. These structural abnormalities includes translocations, insertions, deletions, and other chromosomal rearrangement of genomic information. Still confused? I know I am. Basically, it's the study of chromosomes from samples from tissue, blood, or bone marrow in the lab and look for any changes that will correlate for the disease, which could be broken, missing, rearranged, or extra chromosomes. Easier now, right? Hit that like button if you got it. So, traditional cytogenetics testing takes a lot of processes, which I will show you on this image. As you can see, different samples like the fetal tissue, blood, amnion CVS, and bone marrow have to go through different procedures to achieve our end result. What Bionano Genomics claim with their Saphyr system is that we can streamline that workflow as seen on this image. So, those different samples I mentioned earlier can have its DNA extracted through Bionano's DNA extractor. Have those samples loaded to the Saphyr machine, and then it gets analyzed. This disruptive technology could be the reason why there's so much news that a possible investment by ARK Invest is on the works. Here's also an image of possible estimated revenues for the Saphyr system. Okay, let's go over the news. The first catalyst for Bionano Genomics was in December 21, 2020, when the news came out that they were able to achieve a key milestone with a software update for its Sapphire system that increases the throughput to 96 genomes per week and adds Sapphire Assure for monitoring system health. The next catalyst was in December 28, 2020, when Bionano customer Praxis Genomics was accredited by the College of American Pathologists, completing the first LDT, which is laboratory developed test in US for constitutional genetic disorders that uses whole genome analysis with a Sapphire system. The biggest catalyst that started the BNGO craze is what happened on December 30, 2020, when BNGO was granted a 180 days extension by NASDAQ to regain compliance with the bid price rule. So what happened was that BNGO stock price was below $1 for a long period of time, and if it does not go above that after 180 days, they could get delisted. Why I said that this was the biggest catalyst because it alerted a lot of the day traders to this company for a possible pump and dump unbeknownst the gold mine they just discovered. Thanks to the day traders, this allowed exposure to the news, to YouTube financial channels, and to investment banking companies where BNGO received a proposed public offering that occurred in January 7, 2021, and by January 8, 2021, they get a pricing of $88.5 million public offering at around 29 million shares at a $3.05 per share with a 30-day option of buying additional 4 million shares at $3.05 a share. Guess what? On January 12, 2021, those investment banking companies bought the additional 4 million shares, making the whole public offering at $101.8 million. The good news just does not stop there. In January 11, 2021, Bionano Sapphire system was able to identify structural variants of the Rona with possible roles in pathogenesis and outcomes. This means that it explains why a whole family can be affected by the Rona and become severely ill, while some families can just be asymptomatic. Then there are news at the Bionano Genomics Symposium that I will show the headlines and you can just read it while I give myself a coffee break. Alright guys, I'm back and let's look at the chart analysis. As of January 15, 2021, BNGO closed at $8.43. First, I will create a trend line in the 1 hour mark so that we can see possible movement of the stock. First, let's create a support trend line like so, indicated by this arrow. Second, let's create a resistance trend line like so, indicated by this arrow. Now, let's create another resistance trend line moving down, indicated by this arrow. Okay, now let's see where the resistance moving up and the resistance going down intersect. It intersects at $8.09. We can change the resistance going up now to be the support that if the price starts going below, that it could mean it might have a bearish trend. But if it goes up, we might have a bullish trend. Now, we can also use the MACD and the RSI so that we can confirm on direction. If you look at the MACD chart, you can see that the MACD is still above the signal, so we can still have a possible uptrend. But it's so close to the signal that if it crosses, it could start a downtrend. Now we can add the RSI for another confirmation by checking if this stock is overbought. From the chart, it's trending to be overbought, but not quite there yet. So there is still some room to grow before a possible downtrend. So now, let's go back to the daily chart to get a bigger perspective. Just a side note, check 1/4/2021 and 1/15/2021. Do you notice a divergence from the trend line? This means that this could possibly be a manipulation from day traders and people trying to FOMO. Never FOMO, guys, but I digress. Okay, now let's get back to the daily chart. So now, if we follow the trend line, we can actually have a possible $10.50 or more by January 26, 2021. But it will depend on how the trend could be this Tuesday. Alright guys, that is all for my research and analysis. So what are my thoughts on the company? What will I do with all this information? Will this be a 100x company? Well, before I start, let me warn you guys, I am just a random guy on YouTube and this video is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. Cuidado por favor. From doing research on Bionano Genomics, I have realized that this company has a lot to offer on the genomics spectrum. The Sapphire system is a powerful and efficient tool for cytogenetics testing and could be the next step or the gold standard for genome studies. Let me remind you that this company is a puppy company. Will this be a 100x company? If I had a position on December 23, 2020 at 55 cents per share, yes, it is heading that way pretty soon. However, I may be late in the game, but I know that this puppy is being pumped with lots of food by investors and it's being supplied by constant vitamins of catalysts. Pretty soon, this puppy will become a big dog and it might happen instantly. If ARK Invest buys into this company, who knows how far this stock will go. So guys, I give this company a suit up and load up rating. That is it guys for this video. I hope you guys loved the video and was entertained as well. As always guys, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments down below of what you guys think about this video. My name is Neirdolife, the gamer investor, and it's time to suit up and load up for another trading day. Bye bye guys.